So I have a 2000 Nissan Frontier and our brake lights are staying on. Turns out it's these little pedal brake bushings that break on these on this side. There's one here and there's supposed to be one on the other side. That little tan piece that's in there. It's missing. I'm gonna try to replace them. Switches are up here. It's a brake light. When I disconnected it yesterday because it was draining the battery. This one's for the cruise control. So we need a way for this to stay down. So I was thinking if I took out the cotter pin, instead of trying to push this down and work on it, the pedal would go down and give me easier clearance. So I'm using a little screwdriver to try to push down on the cotter pin. Right there. Got that out, okay. And then the pin should push through. Let's see how hard this is gonna be to put back in. That's what I'm worried about. Taking it out. There it goes. All right. Got the cotter pin out. Got the little rod out. Okay. Much easier. Right there. Oops, the other one fell out. So there's supposed to be two, one here and one there. I'm trying to take it out. This one just fell out. Sorry. As you can see, that's what's left of the second one. That one was for the cruise control. This is the new one. So I should just push in. I think I figured out how to put this in. Basically what you want to do, that little piece right here. So what you want to do is just kind of get the grommet up there, set it up there, and then push the brake back, and the switch itself will push it in, if that makes sense. Just kind of hold it up there with your hand or with your finger, and then slowly push it, because if you try to push it in with your fingers, you're not going to be able to get it in. It's impossible. There's not enough leverage. I'll give you the example down here. Say for instance, it's just sitting kind of on there, and then when you push the brake back, it's got like a tip, and if you pull the brake back, it'll just go boom.